It's time for turning on the station.
I'm Kilo Delta 7 Delta Tango Sierra, and this is my dad, November 1 Oscar Romeo.
Good morning.
And we're here on Cooper Mountain in Oregon, and we're going to do a very short, rainy Summits on the Air activation. We're going to play radio on hard mode.
DQ, this is Kilo Delta 7 Delta Tango Sierra for Summits on the Air, calling DQ from Cooper Mountain in Beaverton, Oregon. DQ for Summits on the Air.
Station today is a little bit different than in the past. We're going to be using Elecraft KX2. Excited to take this guy for a test spin. It's its first run at a mountain.
Yeah, good to hear from you. Your signal is 5959, and I'm about 5 miles from you.
Very good. November Echo 7 Echo Tango. I think I copied that down right in my logs. Very good. Well, this is my first run with the new Elecraft KX2. How does the audio sound?
Yeah, pretty good. Wondering if you're right on or if you're slightly off.
How about that? I was 0.1 off.
There you go.
All right, very good. Well, thanks for coming back to me and giving me the audio check.
All right, thanks for being up there on the hill today, 73.
73s, enjoy the rain. This is Kilo Delta 7 Delta Tango Sierra. I just came back home from Cooper Mountain, and I'm here with Kilo Oscar 6 Bravo Tango Mike, who just made her first ever Morse code contact on the air.
I'm not gonna be in the video, am I?